In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted emails on AOL. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do on the left panel when you're signed into AOL Mail is select Trash underneath Inbox. And all of your items should appear here when they were deleted. Go ahead and select them. And if you want to restore it to your inbox, select Restore to Inbox up here at the top. And that's all you have to do. And please keep in mind, I think this is visible for 7 days. After 7 days after you've deleted an email, it's permanently removed, so just keep that in mind. But pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.